So you've just got yourself a brand new DJI Mavic 4 Pro and you want your footage to look as smooth and as clean as it does on the screen right now. But there's a problem. You're a little bit inexperienced. You're not sure what settings to change. You're not quite sure how to do some of these shots, and you need a little bit of a helping hand. Now, I'm going to show an example of some footage in a second of what I've seen some people with Mavics fly. A lot of it is down to using the wrong settings or using the wrong mode. So as an example, this is some of the footage that I've seen people do, and they're constantly using the left stick to overcorrect. They're in sports mode. They're trying to fly as fast as they can and grab as much as they can. They're recording everything and they're ruining all of the footage. All you need to do is, first of all, have a little bit of patience with the sticks. Remember, it's not a race. You're trying to create something really magical and something special. You're trying to invoke memories. You're trying to tell a story. A quickie with quads, a 2-minute tip tutorial video to help you go from zero to hero with your drone footage. That's all the stereotypical things out of the way. What we need to look at now is what the actual solution to your problem is. First of all, what I need you to do is to open up your DJI Fly app and press on the 3 lines in the corner. You need to go from safety to control, and then from control to gain and expo tuning. Now, I would recommend that you do this in Cine Mode so that you've still got the full control in normal mode. The settings I would change is add 0.4 to your yaw, and then I would change the settings of max control, tilt smoothness, max roll speed, and all the others on screen now to match. Go out and try and fly it. You'll notice your controls are a lot deader and it's a lot easier to get that smooth, silky, cinematic shot. If you've got any questions whatsoever, leave them in the comments down below. This is the start of a whole brand new series, 2-minute quickie with quads. Peace out.